In today's video I'll show you how to make your Google Pixel screen black and white. Let's get into the method. Open the main Settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Accessibility. It should be near the bottom of the list. Within here, tap on Color and Motion from the Display section, and then choose Color Correction. Turn on the toggle switch here called Use Color Correction, and then make sure that Grayscale is selected from the list below. Your screen should now be in black and white only. That's how to make your Google Pixel screen black and white. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.